ko pa naman hindi ako iiyak. Um, sa hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako po ay apo ni Lolo Benny sa kapatid niya kay Lola Ling. Um, I can tell his story for 69 years, but as his apo, I know that he's been a father figure to almost everyone that he has met. Especially sa mga pamangkin niya, lalo na yung mga pamangkin niya kay Lola Lynn. He's someone that tells them advices, even minsan pinapagalitan niya sila. And ultimately, he's been the head of the family, especially yung Pascual family. So, last week, I was really pushing myself na dumalaw sa kanya. It was either Friday or Saturday. Kaso, hindi ko na siya inabutan. I will never forget yung moment na pumasok ko doon sa pinto and the first words that I heard was, wala na si Lolo Benny mo. I was in shock nung moment na yun. Actually, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. However, I am still very thankful to be able to do my last mano and to do my goodbyes for Lolo Benny. And when I was going back to the metro, I was actually crying along SLEX. I think nung moment lang na yun, nag-sink in sa akin na wala na si Lolo Benny. And I think the hardest part na maging apo is actually seeing the people that we grew up with also grow with us and slowly fade away. Na we tend to forget as we grew older, they are also growing older. To my lolo, who always asked me, kamusta yung work ko, and whenever I travel abroad, kamusta yung trips ko. Na ang paborito niya, chestnut, nung medyo bata-bata pa siya, gusto niya yung, I forgot the brand, but it's mixed nuts. I hope that you find eternal rest and peace, no more pain, at sana magkakasama na kayo nila Lolo Calbo, Lola Taba, Lola Lito, Lolo Imo, at siyempre si Lola Lynn. Naalala ko lagi kayong dalawa ni Lola Lynn yung magkasama. You lived a good life. It is also worth celebrating. And we're lucky to have you as our Lolo, and you will forever be in our hearts. Thank you.